The Saudi government has issued a comprehensive anti-COVID SOPs planned for pilgrims to be implemented during the holy month of Ramadan. The standard cargo ship on the Suez Canal successfully refloated today. In Afghanistan, at least 13 people have been killed and 25 injured in different incidents of violence. Modi government uses media to propagate Hindutva ideology, reported by New York Times. In Bangladesh, 4 more people have been killed and over 100 injured in a crackdown of security forces on protests demonstrated against Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit in Dhaka. In India, illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir Muslim, Sikh and Dalit leader demanded composite dialogue between Pakistan and India on Kashmir.